Most men completely miss this. A woman's hug isn't just a simple gesture. It's a test, a message, and sometimes an invitation. If you don't know how to read between the lines, you're letting opportunities slip right through your fingers. But if you do, you'll never second-guess her signals again. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the 4 types of hugs women give, and exactly how you should respond to never miss a moment of real connection. In this video, I'll break down the 4 types of hugs women give, what they actually mean, and, most importantly, how you should respond to never let an opportunity slip away. By the end, you'll know exactly when she's just being friendly and when she's inviting you to take things further. 1. The friendly pat. This is the most casual type of hug, the kind exchanged between coworkers, distant relatives, and acquaintances who share familiarity but lack deep emotional or romantic ties. It's quick, almost businesslike, and typically lasts no more than a second or 2. There's minimal torso contact, and the most telling part? The light pats on the back. These pats aren't just incidental. They act as a subconscious signal, almost like a silent cue that says, "All right, that's enough. Let's move on." What does it mean? Plain and simple, she sees you as a friend. Nothing more, nothing less. It's polite, warm, but ultimately platonic. If a woman hugs you this way, it's a strong indication that she hasn't yet developed romantic feelings toward you, or at the very least, she isn't expressing them physically. But don't take this as a death sentence for attraction. Friendship is often the foundation of deeper connection, and if you play your cards right, you can shift the dynamic over time. How to respond and shift the energy. If you consistently receive this type of hug from a woman you're interested in, you need to change how she perceives you. Here's how. Increase playful teasing. Light-hearted teasing creates tension and makes interactions feel more dynamic. If you can make her laugh, you're already breaking the mold of being just a friend. Hold stronger eye contact. A confident gaze can change the energy in an instant. Most men avoid prolonged eye contact, but maintaining it signals self-assurance and builds attraction. Create moments of exclusivity. Group settings keep interactions surface level. If you want to shift out of the friend zone, you need one-on-one time where deeper emotional exchanges can happen. Adjust your physical presence. Confidence in your body language changes how others react to you. Stand close when speaking, be intentional with your movements, and most importantly, avoid hesitancy. Hesitation signals uncertainty, and uncertainty kills attraction. A friendly pat may not be the warm, lingering embrace of romantic interest, but it's not the end of the road either. Attraction isn't always about what happens naturally, it's about what you cultivate over time. If you subtly change the way she sees you, her body language will follow suit. 2. The firm hug. This one carries a different energy. It's not fleeting like the friendly pat. It lingers, holds weight, and has a noticeable strength behind it. She wraps her arms around you with intention, holding on just a second longer than necessary. There's no awkward hesitation, no rushed retreat. Just a moment of genuine connection. It's warm. It's familiar. And while it may not scream romance, it definitely doesn't scream indifference either. What does it mean? A firm hug usually signals trust, comfort, and emotional closeness, but it doesn't necessarily mean attraction. This is the kind of hug you'll get from someone who feels safe around you, someone who enjoys your presence. For some men, this is frustrating. They misinterpret the embrace, assuming that emotional warmth automatically translates to romantic interest. But here's the truth. Comfort is the foundation upon which attraction is built. If a woman feels safe in your arms, she's already lowering her guard, and that's the first step towards something deeper. How should you respond? Don't pull away too quickly. The biggest mistake men make is retreating too soon. Instead, hold the hug just slightly longer than expected. Not enough to make it awkward, but enough to let the moment settle. Read her body language. Does she sigh or relax in your arms? Does she make eye contact as she pulls away? Does she smile naturally without force? These are subtle but important cues that indicate her level of comfort and connection with you. Mirror her energy. If she leans in slightly, reciprocate with a natural squeeze or a gentle touch on her upper back. If she pulls away quickly, respect that space. The key is responding with presence, not overcompensating, not forcing it, just being attuned to the moment. Use the opportunity to escalate attraction. Comfort alone won't get you out of the safe zone, but paired with the right energy, it can. Introduce a layer of intrigue. Tease her playfully, hold eye contact a second longer than usual, or subtly brush against her hand as you step away. The more effortless and natural these moments feel, the more powerful they become. A firm hug is an invitation, not a guarantee. It means she trusts you, but whether that trust deepens into attraction depends on what you do next. If you stay present, read the moment, and respond with quiet confidence, you'll transform that embrace from a simple gesture into something far more meaningful. 3. The lingering embrace. This is where the dynamics begin to shift, where a simple hug transforms into something unspoken but deeply felt. Unlike a quick pat or a friendly squeeze, this hug lingers. It's not rushed, not casual. There's something more beneath the surface. A lingering embrace isn't just about physical closeness, it's about emotional connection. When a woman doesn't pull away immediately, when she holds on to you just a bit longer than necessary, it's often a subconscious signal that she feels safe, warm, and, perhaps most importantly, drawn to you. Key signs to watch for. She fully relaxes against you. There's no stiffness, no hesitation. She melts into the hug as if it's the most natural place to be. Her chest presses closer, a subtle but telling sign. When a woman maintains full body contact in a hug, it's a clear indicator that she's comfortable and possibly even attracted to you. Her breathing slows down. Pay attention to the rhythm of her breath. If she exhales softly or lingers in a moment of stillness, it suggests she's savoring the closeness. She doesn't break the hug first. Instead of stepping away quickly, she stays, letting the embrace stretch beyond the typical duration of a friendly hug. How should you respond? The worst thing you can do in this moment is be the first to pull away. Instead, mirror her energy. Let the moment unfold naturally. If she lingers, you linger. If she maintains contact, reciprocate subtly. Add a light but meaningful touch, a gentle squeeze on her back, a soft stroke along her lower back, or even just resting your hand confidently without overdoing it. These small gestures can amplify the emotional connection. Stay present. Don't rush to speak, move, or analyze. Let the moment breathe. Sometimes, silence and physical connection say far more than words ever could. Why this hug matters. A lingering embrace isn't just about comfort, it's about chemistry. It's a silent test, a moment where attraction either deepens or fades. If she stays close, it's often a sign that she's open to more. The next move is yours. If you respond with confidence and presence, that single hug can create a powerful shift in the way she sees you, one that lingers long after the embrace itself. 4. The intimate embrace. This is the hug that speaks volumes without a single word. It's not just about warmth or familiarity, it's about deep trust, emotional connection, and unspoken attraction. Unlike casual or friendly embraces, this hug carries a different energy, one that lingers in the air long after it ends. What makes this hug different? In this embrace, a woman is not just greeting you, she's feeling something with you. It's a moment of vulnerability, of closeness, of chemistry that can't be faked. She leans in completely, no hesitation, no stiffness. Her body molds into yours as if she belongs there. She rests her head on your shoulder or against your neck. This is one of the most intimate, trust-filled gestures a woman can offer. It means she feels safe, comforted, and deeply connected. Her breathing becomes slower, more noticeable. Pay attention to the rhythm of her breath. If she exhales deeply or sighs softly, it's a sign that she's fully present in the moment. She caresses your back lightly. This is more than a hug. It's an unspoken message. A light touch on your back, a gentle squeeze, or soft fingertips lingering, these are all subtle signs of attraction and affection. She doesn't let go first. The hug stretches beyond the expected duration, becoming something far more meaningful. What is she really saying? This kind of hug is a silent confession. It's her way of saying, I feel safe with you. I feel connected to you. I trust you. I want to be closer. Whether she's fully aware of it or not, this embrace isn't just about comfort, it's about desire. And in many cases, it's an unspoken invitation for something deeper. How should you respond? The worst thing you can do in this moment is break the connection too soon or act unsure. Instead, here's how to respond in a way that enhances the intimacy. Don't pull away first. Let her set the pace. If she holds on, stay present. If she leans into you, embrace her with equal warmth. Hold her naturally. Your response should feel effortless, not forced. Gently place your hand on her lower back, give a subtle squeeze, or rest your chin lightly on her head, whatever feels right in the moment. Watch for deeper cues. Does she tilt her head toward you? Tighten her embrace? Keep her hands resting on you even after the hug should have ended? These are strong signals that she wants more than just a friendly connection. Why this hug matters. An intimate embrace is a rare, unguarded moment. It's not something she does with just anyone. When a woman gives you this kind of hug, she's revealing something about how she feels, whether she says it out loud or not. Your job? Don't let the moment pass unnoticed. The silent power of confidence. A hug isn't just about physical closeness. It's a test of energy, presence, and the way you carry yourself. How you react to a hug can leave just as strong an impression as the hug itself. A man who understands this knows that confidence isn't loud. It's silent, effortless, and undeniable. A few golden rules of attraction. Don't be the first to pull away if she's lingering. Matching her energy shows that you're in control of the moment, not rushing it. She stays close, it's because she wants to, so let her. Subtle gestures enhance the connection. A light squeeze, a soft touch on her lower back, or a slow release can turn a simple hug into a moment she remembers. Maintain eye contact as she steps back. It's a powerful way to lock in the moment. A confident gaze says, I see you, I understand you, and I'm not afraid of this connection. Never seem nervous or overeager. Confidence isn't about being forceful. It's about being unshaken. Your body language should exude quiet strength, steady, relaxed, and sure of yourself. Hugs are silent messengers. Some men see a hug as just a greeting, but those who understand attraction know better. A hug is a test, a signal, and sometimes an invitation. It's how a woman gauges your energy, your response, and your ability to hold presence in the moment. If you miss the cues, you miss the opportunity. But if you know how to read between the lines and respond with self-assurance, you set yourself apart instantly. So tell me, what's the most telling sign of attraction in a hug in your opinion? Drop a comment below. Stay sharp, stay aware, and never be blind to the signals around you.